Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by readying the bobbin and the machine. Thread the spool onto the pin and guide the thread through the tension mechanism so winding is even. Once done, place the metal bobbin on the winder spindle and wrap the thread tail around it twice. Make sure to engage the winder. Many machines click into place and press the foot pedal or power to spin. This creates a balanced coil which prevents jams when you later insert the bobbin into the case. Now position the bobbin in the case and orient the thread correctly. This matters for consistent tension. You should feed the thread into the slot and under the tension spring until it snaps into the groove, then pull about 3-4 cm of tail out. Once seated, slide the bobbin case back into the shuttle or close the cover plate, making sure the bobbin spins freely when you turn the handwheel. This step controls how the bobbin thread interlocks with the top thread, so take a moment to confirm free rotation. Finish by drawing up the bobbin thread. Raise the needle, hold the top thread, and turn the handwheel until the hook grabs the bobbin thread and brings a loop up. Pull both threads to the back of the machine and trim tails to about 2-3 cm so they don't get caught. So a short sample stitch to confirm tension is correct. If you see looping or puckering, loosen or tighten the bobbin case screw slightly. Small turns make a big difference, so test after each adjustment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.